Hear ye, hear ye! It's another Roof Right Minute!
Winter is coming, and this year is expected to be a rough one. Now is the perfect time to schedule your roof inspection with Roof Right before the snow piles up. Even the smallest issue, a loose shingle, clogged gutters, or hidden leak can turn into serious damage once freezing temperatures hit. Ice dams can form, trapping water that gets under your shingles. Frozen gutters can crack or pull away from the home, and in heavy snow, weakened areas can even lead to roof collapse. Roof Right's 17-point roof inspection is one of the smartest ways to protect your home before the real cold sets in. Spend a little now, and you could save yourself on major repairs later. Don't wait until it's too late. Let Roof Right help you stay warm, dry, and worry-free this winter. Schedule your 17-point roof inspection today at roofright.com.